And friends, welcome. I have made an already I have made a video. So this video. This is called Mobius transformation. And so far in this transformation, you have an sum like this. Okay, this is the formula Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3, W minus W1 for Mobius transformation. So what happens is that many of them have been asking me how to imagine this. Okay, how to imagine this. So I have made this video. So this is the plotter equation. Let me show you. So this is the plotter equation, and I'll show you a special function in this. For example, so in this Mobius transformation, bilinear transform, for example, this is the thing. So in here, in this GeoGebra, you can see that when I move this, the grid is moving, and when the grid is moving, when you just can just alter this by dilation. Dilation is nothing but scaling, and this is nothing but rotation is rotating, and inversion is nothing but moving throughout the plane. So this can be done in this software also. For example, bilinear transform, if you just I have done this in this Explore Math 3D software, which is a wonderful software where you can download it. So this is the Explore Math 3D software. You go here and go to the conformal maps and go to the user conformal maps, and let me show you an example of a sum. For example, bilinear bilinear transformation formula. You just type it, images will come, lots of images will come. Let me take a sample one. As you can see here, this is the sample sum. So when you just Z1, Z2, Z3 and W1, W2 and W3, so these are all equations. When you just plot it and plot it in this Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3 and all those things, you will get this 3Z minus 5 and 1 plus Z. So when you just go here, 3Z minus 5. First thing is 3Z minus 5. 3 into Z minus 5, and you just plot it in this. So 1 plus Z is another formula. Denominator form in the denominator. Oh my god, it's not plotting. Huh? Okay, it's over here. A wonderful formula is given over here. As you can see, this has been inverted. So this formula has been inverted. 3Z minus 5 plus 1 plus Z as shown over here. So now what happens is that you can also view this in Riemannian sphere format like this. If you want to check the lines, so you can just draw the lines when Z is equal to 0 is over here. When you do that and circle is formed, or else you can also do this conformal mapping of circle, and you just draw one circle over here. You can see the circle also over here, and also you can also set some interval. Okay, you can just set some interval. Okay, set some interval, and in that interval will be plotted over here. When you just, this is the Riemannian sphere format, you can just check it out. So in here, this is the Riemannian spheres inversion and all those formulas. As you can see from here, this animation is showing lots of details in it. Okay, this animation is showing lots of details in it. When you just move it, what happens? This is what is happening. Scaling and everything is happening. So what is this Riemannian sphere? So this Riemannian sphere, okay, R-I-E-M-A-N-I-A-N, Riemannian, S-P-I-G-R-E. The spelling may be wrong, but we'll get into it correctly. So when you just plot this, every point from infinity is plotted. From infinity, this is the North Pole. From infinity, every point is being plotted, and this is the plotting sphere. And in this you can just check it, everything, rotation and inversion and everything. So this is Mobius transformation in a very visual context. So there is a place in imagination in for mathematics. Imagination cannot go beyond some level. So in this, what I have to tell you is, let me show my face to you. Okay, in this, what I have to tell you is, so I have some details to tell you. So this Mobius transformation, many of them has been asking me how to imagine it. So you can plot it in the Maxima software also. For example, you just take this WX Maxima, okay, WX Maxima, okay, WX Maxima software, and the same equation, what you can do is, you can just plot it over here. So for example, 3 into z minus 5 and divided by 1 plus z. You just do it, you get this, and after that what you do is you just get here, and for z you just type 3 into z, sorry, x plus percentage I into y. Okay, what is this percentage I? This is just a maxima syntax for imaginary number, so don't be confused. This is only used in the software. In case you, for normal terms you can use I, but for maxima you have to use percentage I. You just substitute, you get this. In this, for x you have to substitute 1 and 2 in parametric form. In parametric form, after you substitute it, you will get this equation. So and you can just imagine the Mobius transformation. Okay, so this is how to imagine the Mobius transformation. So this is what I have been telling to you all. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel and also like and also upload for me. Okay, so thank you. So this is the visual explanation of Mobius transformation by a software. Okay, so thank you friends. So go and tweak these components. I'll give you all these details. Okay, so you can tweak all these components and see in GeoGebra, and also you can use this software and also Maxima software. You can just plot it in anywhere. Okay, thank you.